Bonjour, my name is Ramza. This is my sister Manny, and we're learning about alligators and reading an animal book. So let's do this. Let's search for the alligator. Yeah.
So, Valentin, what do you know about alligator?
They have big mouths, and if they catch like a bat, the bat would die.
Ah bon?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go on to the other one.
Okay.
Wait, there was a bat. So let's do the bat. Where is the bat? Here. Found him. And my turn.
Oh. Do you like the bat?
Yeah. And they make funny noise. Do it. What is that? I'm gonna press here.
Okay, let's turn the page.
No, I turn. Whoa! Let's do something.
What is that?
This is dolphin and a camel.
It's a donkey.
Donkey.
Oh, bless you, Maiden.
Mom, let's search for that dolphin. I found him. My turn. Oh.
And what do you know about dolphin?
First, I need to press on the donkey.
Okay, but first we need to do the dolphin. So what do you know about dolphin? Do you like them?
Yeah. Yes. You like more, a big. Brownie. Let's find that camel.
No, it's a donkey.
Oh, a donkey. Where is he? Where's he? Donkey. Where is he?
Oh,
Here?
no.
Here.
Oh.
Here.
I can see him.
I want. You may. Fine.
Okay, next one.
This? Where is he?
Oh, what is that? A fly?
Wait. Now my turn. Again. I need to find the frog.
Oh,
Froggy.
Maiden to the frog? Oh, it's the frog?
No,
it's the fly. Oh.
No!
And look here, what do we have on the picture?
That's it.
The mommy elephant and the baby elephant. Where is the baby?
Oh, here.
Oh.
Alex, next one.
What do they have, the elephant?
A long trunk.
Yes.
Now here. Horsey and this thing. So let's find the horse. Find it. Oh, I can see it. Okay. No, wait, I need to find the gorilla. Whoa.
And what else do we have? A goose and a
Tiger!
horse.
I
And a gorilla. Wait.
We already did that horse.
Okay.
Now, next one. Cheetah. Let's look for the cheetah. Where is that cheetah? I don't see a cheetah. Mom, do you know where it is? Found it. Here?
Yes, it's a jaguar. Oh.
A snake! I don't even get it.
Oh.
A snake. Let's find it. No, wait. I need to find the bird here. Wait. That's a weird noise.
Okay, now it's my turn.
That's it.
The snake. Where is the snake?
Over here. Do you know where the bird is? No, here. Yeah. Shit. Now let's turn the page. A seal. And a sheep. Where's the sheep?
I can see him.
Here? need to press the seal.
Your turn, Maylin.
Let's find out. Tiger. Here it is.
Oh, I'm scared. So, Valentin, Maylin and Maman, we will press the button. You will hear the noise and you will have to tell us which animal is it. Oh, Maylin, are you ready? Let's press a button, Maylin. Press 1.
Gorilla.
Yes, my turn.
A goat.
Shh.
A goat. That better? What is that?
Oh, Valentin doesn't know.
Monkey.
A monkey? Listen carefully.
A bird. What a monkey?
Is it a bird?
A sheep.
But yes, it's a sheep.
Frog.
Yes. Maylin, do this one. This one.
Elephant.
Yes. Oh.
Pig.
Yes.
Pig. Oh,
no.
It's twisted.
Do you know what is it?
Whale.
Oui, a whale. Allez, the last one.
The gorilla.
No, le gorilla, we did it already. Attention, this one.
Yeah.
Listen.
A fly.
Yay, good job.
No, Maddie, you have to go over there. Now it's my turn to go with Mama.
Okay.
So I'm going to press button.
Okay, Maylin, listen.
I'll open the page.
No, listen to the noise and you will have to tell us what is it. Allez, Valentin, let's go. Oh, what is that? Coin, 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 coin. A goose?
No.
It's a duck.
Then go back.
Maylin, go back on the canapé. Attention, Maylin, listen to this one.
Oh, a sheep.
A sheep? Ouais.
Now